Think about the last time you worked on a group project. Did it go smoothly or was it frustrating? Maybe one person dominated, another disappeared, and a decision-making process took forever. Or maybe the group clicked and produced something better than any of you could have done alone. Either way, communication made the difference along the way. Small group communication is the interaction among 3 or more interdependent people working toward a common goal. Whether you're in a student team, a workplace committee, or a community organization, how you communicate shapes the group's effectiveness and the overall experience. In this mini lecture, we'll focus on 3 foundational principles. First, small groups are systems. 2, group roles and norms guide their participation. And 3, effective decision-making depends on the communication processes. So first, small groups are systems. A small group functions as a system, meaning the group is more than just the sum of its parts. Each member's behavior affects the others, and the group's success depends on how well the members coordinate and respond to one another. This interdependence means that what happens in one part of the group, like poor participation or strong leadership, ripple effects across the entire group dynamic. Small group communication scholars often use systems theory to explain how input, like member skills, processes, like discussion, and outputs, like decisions, are all interconnected. Secondly, roles and norms guide participation. So group members naturally take on roles, both formal, like facilitator or note taker, or informal, like harmonizer, devil's advocate, or blocker. These roles help structure group activity, but they can also create tension if they go unexamined or unbalanced. Groups also develop norms, which are the shared expectations for behavior, such as how decisions are made, how feedback is given, or whether side conversations are acceptable. These norms often go unstated, but they shape participation and cohesion in really powerful ways. Thirdly, decision-making requires clear and inclusive processes. So effective small group decision-making is not just about coming to an answer. It's about how you get there. Common approaches include consensus, everyone agrees, majority rule, or authority rule, a leader decides after discussion. The quality of a group's communication process, which is how members share information, build on ideas, challenge respectfully, and manage conflict, often matters more than the method itself. One useful model is Dewey's reflective thinking sequence, which is kind of an intuitive step-by-step problem-solving process. Define the problem, analyze it, generate possible solutions, evaluate them, and choose the best one. So, in conclusion, whether you love group work or dread it, small group communication is an essential skill for both your personal and professional life. Nearly every career involves collaboration, and your ability to communicate clearly, manage group dynamics, and contribute meaningfully can set you apart. When groups are intentional about how they communicate, they don't just work together, they think together. And that's where real innovation, connection, and leadership can emerge.